This is E007 Transportation Engineering Laboratory, and you can see overall ambience of this particular laboratory. By that time I will hand over to Dr. Raina, who is a PhD from IIT Bombay, and he's a faculty in transportation engineering, and he will introduce this particular lab further.
Hello all, welcome to Transportation Engineering Laboratory. This particular lab is situated in E block, ground floor E007. This particular lab is equipped with various equipments necessary for conducting UG and PG laboratory courses. Today I will demonstrate this particular lab and various facilities. Let's start with safety measures we have at this lab. Starting with the fire extinguishers we have at multiple locations, and also first aid kit, and also all the safety instructions has been pasted in this particular poster you can see over here. In addition to that, we have all the vision and program outcomes and PSOs of the department, and then next to it we have poster related to the laboratory course, UG laboratory course. If you see, we have listed all the COs and then followed by major equipments of this particular laboratory, then mapping of the experiments and COPO mapping, which will be helpful in understanding OBE, outcome based education. And also we have information of the laboratory in charge and the laboratory staff in case if it is needed. Then next to it we have a notice board where detailed information related to the courses, laboratories and any other information, and also the emergency numbers if needed, that is also been shown here. Next we have a space for storage of the materials. Basically this lab deals with the highway materials. We can see we have stored bitumen and bituminous mixers which are used for testing purpose. Then I will show the various equipments used for the experiments. For example, this particular setup is ring and ball setup used for conducting the softening point test on a bitumen. Similarly, we have a standard penetrometer. Let's see this one, standard penetrometer. This is also used for characterizing the bitumen. And likewise we have Seybold viscometer is there for characterizing the emulsion material. And then we have this particular platform is for dedicatedly used for heating the bituminous material. When I say heating, we need to take adequate safety precautions. We have fire resistant gloves and safety goggles are here, and also we have aprons, hand gloves. All the safety related aspects are maintained meticulously. If you see, we have reflectors. In addition to the highway material testing, we do conduct traffic related tests at the on-site. We take the students to the field and collect the data. During that time, we maintain the safety aspects like keeping the safety cones and wearing the safety jackets. And after collecting the data, students will come to the laboratory and they will analyze the data, and also if needed, they will use these computing facilities. We do have 2 workstations dedicatedly for this laboratory, and relevant software has been installed, and this is being used by both for laboratory courses as well as for the research purpose. In addition to this, we do have advanced equipment such as this 5th wheel bump integrator and skid resistance tester. These are used for research purpose for master students and also UG projects lab as well. For final year students, UG students, those who are conducting university projects, they can make use of these facilities. Now I would like to show this is the place dedicated for laboratory staff for their seating arrangement and storing the laboratory manuals and project reports, and also all the relevant documents related to this particular lab. Now I would like to show, here you can see all the information wherever necessary, safety related and equipment operating safety. That is also is being pasted near to the respective equipments. Let's say this particular equipment is used for compacting and preparing compacted Marshall specimens. After compaction, this particular sample is being tested in this equipment that is called Marshall tester for testing the Marshall stability of the compacted specimen. We can see this is a particular material which is actually used in construction of roads. Okay, then there are some other equipments we do have used for the quality control at on-site. For example, drilling the cores from the actual roads. For example, if you see, this is a core cutter machine which is being used for cutting the roads and taking out the samples, and we will bring it to the laboratory. This kind of samples, similar to this kind of samples, we will get from the road, and later on it will be evaluated in the laboratory. And another such equipment is this. You can see this is a centrifuge extractor, which is being used as a quality control test, where one can identify the bitumen content in the existing mix. Like we can collect the mix from the field and we can test it, or we can also test the laboratory sample. Further, we have another setup. This is called a dactylometer. To use this particular instrument is used to measure the ductility of the bitumen. This is also part of a UG curriculum or experiments we conduct in the as a part of UG lab. And you can see adequately all the safety measures has been pasted all around around the laboratory wherever it is necessary. I think this will show the ambience and the facility we have at Transportation Engineering Lab. Thank you.